hope springs eternal, especially in the hearts and minds of those in the pursuit of fairness and justice. Thus, proponents of impeachment in the House are not giving up hope on what they believe is the Vice President's eventual appointment with destiny and justice, as our Mela Las Moras reports.
House Prosecution Panel spokesperson Attorney Antonio Bucoy believes that the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte will remain alive as long as the Supreme Court or SC has not yet issued a decision on the motion for reconsideration filed by the House of Representatives. According to Attorney Bucoy, discussing the complaint in the Senate at this point would actually be a waste of time. He emphasized that there should first be a final and executory decision from the SC regarding their motion. It can be recalled that the High Court previously declared the articles of impeachment unconstitutional, a decision the House is now trying to have reversed.
Kami ay naniniwala na ang mga hukom po, tao rin sila na maaring magkamali. Na pag nailahad sa kanila kung ano talaga yung nangyari, yung factual, maliliwanagan sila. Umaasa kami na tutugon ang kataas-taasang hukuman.
To the Senate, Attorney Bucoy had this to say.
Ngayon nagmamadali sila na tapusin. Samantalang dati, yung forthwith, hindi sila nagmamadali. Malinaw naman yung forthwith. Pero bakit ngayon, iba yung kanilang gustong mangyari? Aksaya ng panahon.
Amid the issue on impeachment, the trust and performance ratings of the House of Representatives got higher. Meanwhile, those in the Senate declined. This has led some to ask, could this be related to the impeachment issue? And if the Senate proceeds with the trial, is there a chance their ratings might rise again?
Subukan nila. Baka. Forthwith. Pero clear naman nakikita naman din natin clear. It's not about finding, we're not even talking about conviction or acquittal yet Ang pinag-uusapan pa lang natin, proceeding with the trial.
As for the Makabayan Bloc, regardless of the decision of the Senate or the SC, they will not back down from pursuing the impeachment against the Vice President in the name of accountability.
Depende yan. So either way is valid. Basta kailangang matuloy ang impeachment. Gusto na talaga ng taong bayan na once and for all, masettle ang usaping ito.
Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.